Welcome! In front of me is a HUAWEI MatePad Paper, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, simply open up settings. From here you're gonna scroll all the way down to System and Update, and then select Reset. Reset tablet. Now it's gonna bring us quick info what it's gonna remove. Funny enough, it's gonna be removing GeForce Now cloud gaming. That was just for out of curiosity how it runs, but anyway, let's just move on. Now, apart from the accounts that are listed below, it's going to also tell us what's going to remove right here. So we have a bit of like a laundry list. So accounts, obviously, we have apps, data, and settings. Now there isn't very many apps if you just kept this device by default as it is intended to be used. Then we have music, photos. Again, there's no music player on here as far as I'm aware, so it shouldn't be really a problem. You obviously can download all of that through APKs on like websites, but sticking to this, photos, files, and so on. Basically anything that is stored locally on this device, which they probably should have capsized the fact that books will be probably the most important thing on a e-ink display tablet. So yeah, if you want to keep some of those books because you have them on a file, download it, then make a copy of them to your computer, for instance, and then begin. Now, assuming you have already done so, or you just simply don't want to, select Reset Tablet. Then we can do that once more. And it's gonna begin the process. Now this might take a couple minutes to finish up. Once it's done, we should be then presented with the setup screen for the tablet. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. Now if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.